Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about doubles facts for addition and then the flip side of the subtraction ones as well. So a double fact is simply something that you double. So if we had the number 5, a double fact would be 5 plus 5, and that's 10. Okay, our double facts range from 0 plus 0 all the way to 9 plus 9. So those are the ones that we're going to focus on. And of course, the flip side of that would be the subtraction ones. And we also work on that as well. For some reason, our students have a real good tendency to remember the double facts because they can link it to something in their real life. For example, I had one student who loved big trucks and wanted to be a big truck driver when he was older. So he memorized 9 plus 9 is an 18-wheeler because each side of the 18-wheeler had 9 wheels. So he memorized this one right away and loved it. It's probably his favorite fact. It was awesome. Other people would remember something like 7 plus 7 is 2 weeks, and that's 14 days. Or 4 plus 4 is 8, and that's how many legs are on a spider. Or any other type of riddle like that. And they can make their own, and that really helps them memorize this. Or internalize it. I think the best benefit of these double facts is when we're using near doubles. Or doubles plus 1, some people would call it. So an example of a near double would be 6 plus 5. And we have to solve that. We want the kids and our students to realize that 6 plus 5 is really close to being the same number. So they're near a double. This is going to be really close to the same as 6 plus 6 or 5 plus 5. So I'm going to use 6 plus 6 to help me solve this. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. Well, 5 is 1 less, so the answer must be 11. Or I could have used 5 plus 5, and I know that's 10. This 6 is 1 more, so it must be 11. So I'm using these facts to solve this one. And it really helps out. It's a great strategy. Now the flip side of the doubles and near doubles of addition is the subtraction. So of course if we have 8 plus 8 equals 16, well then when I see this question, 16 subtract 8, I'm going to know it's 8 because I know 8 plus 8 is 16. So if I already have 16 and someone takes 8, I must have 8 left over. Now I'm also going to talk about another subtraction fact called 1 aparts or 2 aparts. The reason why I'm bringing it up now is because it kind of looks like a near double question. If this was an addition, it would look like a near double question. But oops, I made a mistake there, sorry. I meant to put 9 subtract 8. You can do 8 subtract 9, but you're not going to need to know that until you're in an older grade or higher grade. 9 subtract 8 looks like 9 plus 8, so we think of near doubles. However, this is a 1 apart. So we want our students to look at 9 subtract 8. Oh, well, there's a difference of 1 between them, so the answer must be 1. Okay. An example of 2 apart would be something like 10 subtract 8. Well, I can see that these are really close to each other, so my answer is going to be quite small. And I also know from experience that these are only 2 apart, the difference of 2. So the answer must be 2. All right, I hope this helps a lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And have a great day, everybody.